Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can mute the original sound on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, I'm simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first access your TikTok app, and then afterwards what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this plus icon given over here, and upload a video from your phone and tap on next. And now here in this section you can see this add sound option, right? First of all, you're gonna go ahead, come to over here and choose a sound for yourself, and then confirm it, which way you will be able to change your original sound to new sound simply by replacing it right from over there with the sound option. Now if you tap on next, and if you post this particular video here in your TikTok, you will be able to see that video with another song, not with the original sound of yours. So that is the way you can change it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.